Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money with Fidelity. To start, you'll want to open an investment account, such as a brokerage or retirement account, like an IRA. Fidelity offers a wide range of options to help your money grow. Once your account is set up, focus on diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes. This approach helps manage risk and can enhance your potential for long-term returns. Fidelity offers many ways to invest your money. You can choose individual stocks and bonds, or opt for mutual funds that provide professional management and diversification. Exchange-traded funds, or ETF, are another excellent choice, often offering lower costs and broad market exposure. Make sure to utilize Fidelity's robust research tools and screeners to help you make informed investment decisions tailored to your financial goals. For long-term wealth building, consider reinvesting any dividends you receive. This strategy, known as compounding, can significantly boost your returns over time. You might also explore dividend-paying stocks or income-focused funds to generate a steady stream of income. Remember to regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your risk tolerance and financial objectives as market conditions change. To maximize your returns, leverage tax-advantaged accounts such as 401(k)s or IRAs, which can offer significant tax benefits. For more experienced investors, exploring options trading might be a strategy, though it carries higher risk. Always ensure you understand the complexities before engaging. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.